This motherfucking life I lead, nigga. Death, you know what time it is. West Side, Death Row, Dog Pound, everybody killer, bad boy killer, so death killer, Death Row, everybody killer. Fuck all y'all niggas, if it ain't West Side, nigga, it ain't poppin'. That's on my mama.
In this life I lead, FIFA currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, holler my set and watch them ride. Outlaw motherfuckers till we die. In this life I lead, FIFA currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, holler my set and watch them ride. Outlaw motherfuckers till we die. I want money in large amounts, my garage full of cars that bounce. Moving my tapes in major way, cause every dollar counts. Busters is jealous and half these niggas is punks. They running off at the mouth till I fill it up with my pump. They jump my automatic, keep them wary while you frontin' like you Billy Badass. Nigga, you scary. I've been knowing you for years. We was high school peers. In junior high, I was itching to kill, and you was ready to die while you bullshitting niggas was dying and catching cases. Busting my automatics at motherfuckers in foreign places. And even no break, they see my face and they bury. Bitches dying to hurry, still I ride. I'm never worried. Mr. Machiavelli tell me to ride, and I'ma ride. Pick my enemies out the crowd, and motherfuckers die. It's not the way I wanna live. My nigga, it's how it is. Homie got into a fight last night. They killed his kids. In this life I lead, FIFA currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, holler my set and watch them ride. Outlaw motherfuckers till we die. In this life I lead, FIFA currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, holler my set and watch them ride. Outlaw motherfuckers till we die. In this life I lead.
Sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, cloud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stacked that he knows when he goes back to this mobile home. That's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't pass.
In this life I lead, FIFA currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, holler my set and watch them ride. Outlaw motherfuckers till we die. In this life I lead, FIFA currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, holler my set and watch them ride. Outlaw motherfuckers till we die, till we die. Till this life I lead, FIFA currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, holler my set and watch them ride. Outlaw motherfuckers till we die. In this life I lead.
Write and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke, gun smoke. Biggie Smalls for mayor, the rap slayer, the hooker layer. Motherfucker, say your prayers. Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face, take her Gucci back and a North Face off her back. Jab her if she act funny with the money. Oh, you got me mistaken, honey. I don't wanna rape ya, I just want the paper, the visa, capisha. I'm out like the vapors. Who's the one you call Mr. Macho? The head honcho, swiftness like Cumacho. I got so much dollars to be down with the stylistics. Make up to break up, niggas need to wake up. Smell the Indonesia, beat you to a seizure. Then fuck your moms, hit the skin to amnesia. She don't remember shit, just the 2 hits. Her hitting the floor, and me hitting the clits. Sucking on the tits, had the hooker begging for the dick. And your moms ain't ugly, love, my dick got rocked quick. I guess I was a combination of House of Pain and Bobby Brown. I was humping around and jumping around. Jacked her, then I asked her who's the man. She said B.I.G. Then I bust in her E.Y.E. You're dead wrong.
This motherfucking life I lead, nigga. Death, you know what time it is. West Side, Death Row, Dog Pound, everybody killer.
In this life I lead, FIFA currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, holler my set and watch them ride. Outlaw motherfuckers till we die. In this life I lead, FIFA currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, holler my set and watch them ride. Outlaw motherfuckers till we die, till we die.
Always escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the globetrotter. Lonely roads God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose. cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more, he's cold product. They moved on to the next mo who flows. He knows dove and sold nada. He sold the soap opera, it's told, it unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on. That don't matter.
In this life I lead, people currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, out on my set and watch me ride, outlaw motherfuckers till we die. In this life I lead, people currency, get high off weed, collect G's, make my enemies bleed. When you see me, nigga, out on my set and watch me ride, outlaw motherfuckers till we die.
It's motherfucking life I lead, nigga. Death row. You know what time it is. West side, death row, dog pound, everybody killer. Bad boy killer, good life killer, death row, everybody killer. Fuck all y'all niggas, if it ain't West side, nigga, it ain't pop. That's on my mama.